Xmas is you.
We sure better wait here. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Even 10 minutes is a long time to be away from us.
What'd you say?
Huh?
Baby girl, can you hear that? What's up with that? What's up with that?
Want you here right next to me. You're my everything. Know that I'm here missing you. Want you right here in my arms. You're the only one. Are you even listening? Are you even listening? Are you even listening? I need you to come through, but you always fall through. Are you even listening? You don't even know what you do to me. Honestly,
If you want, I can set up your computer right before I start editing. If you want to try to do something. Because the Apple computer, might be perfect for you to use right now because it's kind of broken in that it falls so far back.
Yeah. I need to get an eye patch.
You could get one today. Like maybe just get an eye patch rather than using the other thing. It's so hard for me to see like people. Let me not be recording.
It is currently 3 o'clock. I've been in West Palm since 11:30. I got to the hotel around noon and I haven't checked in because I was doing Tyrus Tuesday, which I'm always doing up until last minute. Anyways, I'm here in my room and I'm going to go to my parents' house to finish packing and all that stuff. So I'll bring you along. I had 2 flights today. They went well, so easy. Hardly anyone was on those flights and nothing really interesting to report.
What are you doing?
Having an ice cream party?
Possibly.
Can you say it again? A little ice cream party.
No party. Midday ice cream break. Strategically not putting in the vlog.
Do me a favor. Hold the ice cream like this. Like where the camera could see it. Ooh, perfect. Thumbnail. Thumbnail worthy.
So I just arrived and I am making coffee. I have felt so tired and I was just like, wait to make coffee to get here because remember I bought all this coffee. There's like hardly any left because I'm an addict, but I'm hoping there is one hidden toasted coconut left. And there is. So I also, there was a bunch of toasted coconuts literally right here. But alright, it's fine.
They say, Tyrus, what you want for Christmas? I say love, yeah. I miss my family throwback. We ain't have shit 08, but we had love, true love. I give everything I have in this world to see my grandma one more time. Sometimes the truth don't rhyme. Sometimes all I do is cry. All the demons way inside, creeping, crawling in my mind. Yeah, and I know I put my girl through BS. I be up and down with my emotional stress. Thank God I found somebody that truly loves. Yeah, that truly loves me. I know it gets hard, lines get blurry, I don't know how to think inside myself. Sometimes all I think about is where's the love. Yeah, I put my pride aside. I picked up the book and started penning melodies, is all I got inside.
Hey guys, so it is currently, what day of the week? Thursday. And I'm feeling good. I went to sleep early last night. Maybe my vlog didn't go up yet and I'm about to edit and post it late today. It's alright. This is gonna be my editing day. I'm gonna get 2 vlogs up in one day. I'm also starting the day by uploading to a different YouTube channel I have. So I feel good. Today is solely a work day. Hopefully we'll do something Christmassy tonight. And we might see Rose's family a bit. Rose is doing really well from his procedure, but as much as he tries to be up and awake, it seems like he is most comfortable laying down. So, you know, that really limits the amount that he is able to do in a day, which is perfectly fine because this is his time to rest. And it's perfect for me because I have plenty of time then to just sit here and edit.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town. Everyone is inside, getting ready to eat by the table. I keep one empty seat, for you're not here. What can I do? It's another
I'm back, sitting down, and I'm editing with my soup.
Hold you so close, never ever let go. We'll go walking and play around in the snow.
Rose attempting to edit after 5 hours of doing nothing.
Is that how you want to portray me to the world?
So I got a package in the mail. I broke the seal, but I haven't opened it yet. I have a thought that it's probably this skincare that I ordered. It's skincare that was recommended by Gabby DiMartino, or Fancy Vlogs by Gab, or Gabby, whatever it is. Fancy Vlogs by Gabby, I think. But it's called Meebak, and yeah, she's been using it because she's been having really bad acne ever since she's been wearing a mask and stuff. Now she's had really good skin since using it. And I was super excited when I ordered it. I'm pretty sure this is in the last vlog, but it's fine because you might not have seen it. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna start with the free gift because I'm shocked by how much they gave for the free gift. So they gave all of these okay, they just all fell out, but this whole container was filled with hand sanitizers, like individually wrapped hand sanitizer wipes. I personally don't really need this because I work for an airline that gives these to you every single time you walk on the airplane. And even if I only ever got them when I walked on an airplane, not working the flight, I would still have a million of them. They're still awesome to have, and like they don't go bad. How many are in here? 50. 50 individually wrapped. That's crazy. So they've all fallen out. I'll deal with that later. And so I bought 2 different sets, I believe. Let me look at this and make sure. So what she said is that she sprays herself with the toner, which is, I guess, why I bought 2. So I bought the travel size and the bigger one. And I believe they look exactly the same. And it must have been like a set. I'm gonna check my receipt because I'm just like, what the heck? It does make sense though, because I travel all the time, and this is the one thing that she said worked the absolute most. So I bought, it's just interesting, I didn't think to buy a cleanser. I bought the serum, I bought the moisturizer, and I bought the toner, but I didn't buy a moisturizer. Interesting. But she said that this is really nice to spray on your face before you put the mask on and after you take the mask off. Just every time, and also put it on before you put your moisturizer on, and you know, after you cleanse your face and all of that. Just continuously spray this stuff on your face and it will prevent you from breaking out. So that's what I'm hoping. So this is the toner, and again, I got travel and I got the big one. And now it's kind of coming back to me. I am pretty sure that is what I was thinking, because I wanted to have one for my suitcase and one for my apartment. I must have really felt sold by Gabby talking about it. All right, and then I got the brightening. I'm not gonna try it right now because I don't even want to pump it, because I don't want to pump that much out. But I'm not gonna try it because I have makeup on. But feels really nice. It's Age Repair Brightening Cica Serum, and I was just thinking this with the toner, hopefully with this moisturizer, because I feel like moisturizer is so important. If you get the wrong moisturizer, you will probably end up breaking out or having too dry skin, and I always have skin problems, and I feel like it's my moisturizer. Like, I never get the moisturizer right. I've had like one moisturizer that's been really good for my skin, but I'm constantly changing it up and trying things to try to find things that are better, and it's never working out for me. So anyways, it feels, or not feels, I didn't even feel it yet. It looks really, really light. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it just seems not too thick at all, which is great. Oh my God, that just exploded everywhere. Okay, we're done. We're done playing with liquids. I'm thinking I'm going to, oh my gosh, I have my coffee. I don't want to forget about it. So I think I'm gonna go and make some dinner and see. You can, I don't know if you could see my breakouts over there, but I have like a million under my chin, and I have one right here, and then I have little tiny dot, like white ones. So, not the best. But yeah, I'm just gonna cook, and then I'll do some packing, and then edit the vlog. We'll see where it ends up. But if I could please stop looking at the viewfinder, I'd be a lot happier. So I have been editing for the last few hours, but we just got dinner, so I'm going to see what it's like. Of course, Rose never has clothes on.
All right.
I feel like these glass containers make it sweaty.
Yeah.
So you got two things. That's nice.
The
You
burger.
put something for tomorrow.
The burger was free.
That's nice. Ooh, and you got mashed potatoes. I thought you had corn on the cob.
That's
Oh, it's
your-
right here.
Wow, your food looks amazing though. They got fries instead of rice. Nice, classy.
I wanna go back. I wanna go back to how it was before we lost track. It's like our lives just took a pause, and I still relive the nights. They're still playing in my mind. Wanna turn it back to then, where I can have those days again. Oh,
I used a pan that doesn't have a lid at the moment. So we'll see how this turns out. And is it just because it has a fancy bottle?
Yeah, listen. Listen to this. Over 5,000 years ago, long before the first human reached remote Iceland, a massive volcanic eruption created a unique underground spring, and thus was Icelandic waters.
Wow. We are now sponsored by
Icelandic waters. Drink it or die.
before the Dollar Tree becomes a $1.25 for sure.
Look at this.
What? Yeah, it's sad. It's in Florida now. It's not just a New York thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a bubbly, which is actually good for you.
If you don't make a commercial about it, then it's not good.
It's a tall can of bubbly. Last time I got this, it said grapefruit, but it tastes like orange soda, which is disgusting. It is so hard to find what we're looking for.
Yeah. Coming in?
No.
All I really want for Christmas is